Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009, Substitute Penalty. Chapter 3. Substitute Penalty. Section 1. Community Work. Article 78. Definition of community work. When the accused receives a jail sentence the maximum of which is less than or equal to 3 years, the court can pronounce the penalty of community work. The community work is an obligation to be accomplished during a period made up of between 30 and 200 hours, the unpaid works for the state's benefit, of the territorial community, of the legal entity subjected to public laws, of an association or a non-governmental organization. Article 79. Person who does not benefits from community work. The community work may not, under no circumstances, be carried out for the profit of a natural person. Article 80. Legitimacy of the community work. The community work is subject to the provisions of the Labor Code. In particular, in relation to night shift, hygiene, security as well as the works for women. The community work may be held concurrently with a professional activity. Article 81. Principles for compensation of damage. The state must compensate the damage caused to other individuals by the convicted person during his/her performance of the community work. The state is lawfully subrogated in the rights of the victims. Section 2. Reprimand, Article 82. Legitimacy of reprimand. When the accused receives a jail sentence the maximum of which is less than or equal to 3 years, the court can pronounce the reprimand if the following 3 conditions are met. 1. Disturb to the public order resulting from the offense has come to an end. 2. Damage was repaired. 3. The offender shows his/her willingness for social reintegration.